guys, today I'm going to do some craft work with my feathers. What we need is some feathers. We need feathers some. We need some popsicle sticks, a pencil, scissors for cutting. We have some googly eyes, and we need some markers. We need some color paper. So I'm going to teach you these stuff to make. Now we're going to make a girl. Let's start. We're just making the head and almost the neck. Done with the head. Now I'm going to cut it out with my scissors. We just now cutted the head out. Now we're going to make the hair. So I'm going to teach you a trick to cut it out. So first you're going to start by doing this part. It's the hair. And then you can trace it like this. You trace it here. And a little bit here. And you go down. You can do like wobbly hair. Okay. Next we're going to do another part. The same thing for this side. We're going to cut it out. Now I'm going to stick her hair on here. Put some glue. Now let's make some eyes. Let's put some eyes for her. Let's color them in. For the next, let's put a red mouth for her. Okay, a cute one. Now I want to put her necklace. Done. Now I'm going to put the feathers on her. Okay, let's first start with pink. There. Now let's do blue. Now I'm going to put there. Now I'm going to put purple sticker. Ta-da! She's ready now. Next we're going to make a turkey like this. Let's start. So I did an easy trick and I traced it here. Now I'm going to cut it out. Now I'm going to put some googly eyes. Okay, let me stick them. Okay, now I'm going to put the little beak. There. Now I'm going to put the feather. I'm going to put this one here. And here. I made a rainbow popsicle stick. I want to stick it here. There, let's flip it. Now our turkey's ready. The turkey's done. The bird out. Now I'm going to stick his eyes and everything on. First, actually, I'm going to put all these feathers on. That's going to be last. I'm keeping it there. Let me stick it here. This way. Yeah. With the eyes and the beak. Put the eye here. Let's put the beak. I'm going to stick the leg here. Now I'm going to add it to my wall. Let's start. Okay, let's put it here. There. I'm done with the birds. Now I'm going to stick the girl face. the turkey. Done. Now I'm going to put another turkey right here. Done. If you like watching more of my videos, go down and you will see the subscribe button. Touch it and you can watch a lot of my videos. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Bye!